हेलो पीपल, पीपल के पेड़। वी आर आउट इन द मिडल ऑफ नोवेयर। मैं ऐसे ही टहलने के लिए आया था एंड द रोड्स वर सीनिक, सो आई थॉट कि आई विल show you how they look in the camera. Couple of updates that I want to give. एक है कि ND filter का जो है it's still in progress. The glass I currently have is okay for pre-evenings, but when it's completely bright and sunny, it's shit. In regards of finding the darkest glass of the right thickness, the search is still going on. I haven't made any major strides in that area, but I think in a couple of days I will be able to find something and we will be able to complete that project. I serviced my bike and the throttle seems to be little laggy. Like when I'm in higher RPMs, when I'm ripping through, it works exactly as expected. But when I'm just chilling, I'm just starting the throttle. Firstly, I have this much of negative play, which should not be there. And after that play also, it is not as smooth. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's like engine कहीं पे घिस रहा है करके ऐसा. But yeah, I have completed 30,000 kilometers, so I think a 30,000 kilometer whole review, what I have spent on this bike till now, what is good, what is bad, why there is oil again, I'll answer all those in that. So if you have any questions about this motorcycle, maybe drop it in the comments or keep it in your mind. I will try to read it and answer it. It's a nice bright and sunny day and मेरे गाड़ी में छोटा मोटा खर्चा हुआ है, but my bike is little bit risky to ride now. हाँ, he opened up this, यहाँ पर स्प्रिंग कुछ तो रहता है, देन स्टॉक में अवेलेबल नहीं था. वो जो अवेलेबल था वो नॉन ABS वेरिएंट था, तो वो पतला था, so he just refilled the brake fluid and brake is very slow right now सामने का. एंड आगे का जो स्प्रॉकेट है, आई हैड टू चेंज दैट. उसके अंदर भाई कितना कचरा जमा हुआ था, आई विल शो इट टू यू. ओवरऑल वही दो चेंजेस हुए. अभी अगर फिर से ये ब्रेक लीक होगा, then we will have to change the master cylinder, and for that I think I will opt for something more superior than the OEM ones, something Brembo or something like that. Let's see. This is a new road that I seldom take, but it's a beautiful place. यहाँ पे मेरा एक रील था. I was dancing to the tune of the rail. आज कुछ गाना नहीं बज रहा. हाँ, there you go, the गाना. Honestly, it sounds a little bit better after changing the sprocket and after cleaning all that gunk. I think I will, after every 1,000 kilometers or any long trip, I will manually open up that cabinet and clear off any gunk, because I don't want that much of build up. Now the power delivery is smooth. It was so jerky. Shit, I again forgot to mention the check engine light. Again light का भूल गया. अरे यार, सुजुकी वालों के साथ मेरा मतलब महीने में हर हफ्ते एक बार जाना ही आना रहता है. एक बार में ना वो लोग कर रहे हैं, ना मैं करवा पा रहा हूँ. मैं उनको बोलता हूँ, वो लोग भूल जाते हैं, बोलते हैं कि हाँ सब हो गया. फिर मैं निकल के आता हूँ, आई सी that they forgot to do it, I forgot to check it, and मैं घर के आसपास आ चुका हूँ. fuck it, 3 दिन बाद फिर से जाना है ब्रेक्स की वजह से. खुल जा सनसन, खुल जा रिमझिम, खुल जा डिम डिम, खुल जा डिम डिम.